Okay, so here's a video that I didn't think I would be making this year, but my brother and I decided that we were going to a shooting range today, and this is the video that we got out of it. We each got a turn, shooting the gun at least once or twice. He even brought his girlfriend, so she got a couple of turns as well. We had a good time. So here's the video that came
I
out of it.
told you they're a pain. Okay. Straight arm. Straight arm. Squeeze tight. Well. Huh? No, it's on. Obviously, I'm gonna put the safety on. That's the safety. You flip it off. You gotta squeeze that boy, and you gotta put your arms straight. Arms straight. Squeeze it. There you go. Let your Oh, I forgot. Try to line up the two. You don't focus on the last one, not the one in the two in the middle. Focus on the last one. You want to line it up. That's why you've been having problems. You almost hit me with your brass.
Huh?
You almost hit me with your brass.
Not my problem.
It is. It's hard to look at, yeah. Don't flinch. I know I flinch a lot. There you go, I can see you're doing better. See?